sunshine. Here in my hands today, I have my February Boxycharm. Okay, so Boxycharm has made an update. Ready for this? They're no longer sending out cards. You just get an e-card in your email letting you know what's in your box. But the thing is I got my e-card last week and both of my boxes came this week. So also, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I think my mom just turned on the vacuum. So if you hear any background noise, it's the vacuum. So I didn't look at the cards because I got two separate emails. I got one for Boxycharm Premium and I got one for my regular Boxycharm box. And I was like, I don't want to know what I got in my boxes, so I'm not gonna look at the cards. So I deleted it. So I was like, oh, dope, now how am I gonna tell what I got in my boxes and then the value of it? And then Boxycharm sent me on another email and they're like, whoops, our bad. You may have gotten something on your card that actually isn't in your box. That's all I have to say about that. So instead of me telling you how much is actually gonna be inside of this box, we're just gonna play the guessing game. Yay! Okay, so here in my hands, I have my February Boxycharm box. In each box, you get 4 to 5 full-size products for $22 a month. Next month, I'm getting Boxycharm Premium and Boxylux. I would really like to wiggle my way and get Boxycharm Premium, Boxycharm, Boxylux, and the regular Boxycharm box, but I haven't figured out how to be able to do that yet. But let's see what we got. I am so excited. Actually, I genuinely am. I really am excited. Okay, let's see. No card to keep things hidden. Okay, so I know we all just saw the beauty blenders, but that's actually not gonna be the first product I'm pulling out. I'm pulling out this because it looks like makeup wipes. Avio Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Okay, Boxycharm sending out hemp and CBD. Maybe we'll get there. That's exciting. I'm down for some CBD products. So it says it has cannabis, seed oil, balancing, multifunctional, and anti-fatigue. I really hope these makeup wipes will wake me up. Actually, let's smell them. They don't really smell like anything except makeup wipey. So, ooh, these are some soapy looking makeup wipes. Okay, so I have a black stain, kind of, on the back of my hand. Basically what happened was I was doing my makeup and I dropped my eyeliner and then I dulled the edge of it and then I was like, oh, gotta fix because I have one more eye to do. So it kind of stained my hand a little bit. It's gone. It's the power of the hemp wipe. There's nothing, literally nothing on the makeup wipe, but now my hand's clean, so that's cool. Then I got like a little dot right there too. I swear I spent a little while scrubbing at my hand with my other makeup wipe. So that just kind of lets me know how good those other makeup wipes are. Okay, so cool. I'm down to see how these work on my face. I'm down to see if they actually do like help make me feel refreshed. It's always exciting to get makeup wipes as long as Boxycharm isn't like, these were $15. Okay, so now let's pull out the next thing that we all saw. These super fun. Honestly, I get like, what's the name of Kanye West's brand? I know that I like am probably marked as irrelevant for not knowing. Isn't it Yeezy? I don't know, like, you know how Kim Kardashian's always wearing like neutral colors all the time? That's the vibe that I get from these. Look, you got Kim Kardashian and then you got her kids. Okay, so I don't know what that was about, but I like, actually, I'm so happy that I got these because my beauty blender, I haven't done my makeup in a hot minute and I pulled out my beauty blender today and I was like, ew, it just felt gross. It smelled gross. And I was like, I need to go to the mall tomorrow and get some makeup sponges and some other stuff. So happy about these. And I like that I got 3 different sizes too. Okay, so now we're done to the fun part where we're actually like pulling out the makeup and everything like that. Yes, I see 3 brands that I am very familiar with. So happy. So I don't know. I really want to know what this is. Oh, and I think I actually just remembered because I filled out a survey. I think this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation shade in Vanilla. If I keep shaking it, I'm gonna break it. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, that's gonna be, well, before we judge the shade, let me finish talking. I am so excited about this. I love that I'm getting foundations. I think I don't remember if it was Ipsy or Boxycharm, but I just got a Wander Beauty Foundation in another subscription box this month. But this is Becca. And this is a high end. I would go to Sephora and I'd be like, do I feel like splurging? And I would buy something from Becca. Like in my fantasy world, not IRL. Because I usually always end up going for like anything that's glittery. And I'm like, ooh, I want to splurge on makeup. If it's glittery, sold. Okay, so let's take a look at the shade and not judge the shade. Because how yellow I am, that's 100% me. I really am so pale. So I'm like, okay, even if I look yellow, at least I look a little bit darker and a little bit more alive. So I'm pretty sure that this was actually match my natural skin color very, very well. It's just not something that I would necessarily go to towards personal preference because I like being a little bit like fake tan looking, but I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. Boxycharm, keep it coming. Honestly, send me a whole foundation kit. Send me primer and foundation and setting spray and powder. Like, yes, girl, keep it up. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out. I need a minute because I'm so happy that I'm getting a highlighter. Okay, so this is a Laura Geller Gilded Honey Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminizer. This is so pretty. Also, it actually really kind of goes with my nails. That's cute. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up, but I'm going to. And it felt so nice on my skin. Oh, also please ignore the white underneath my nail. That's my nail glue. Oh my gosh. And then we can pull out those hemp wipes and see. Ooh, this is so pretty. Honestly, what are my reviews anymore? It's just like, I'm a child. I'm just a child getting, I'm a child getting really excited about things. I accidentally turned that down too low. So let's see the power of the hemp wipe, even though highlighter literally comes off when you sneeze. Ooh, fun. It's really soapy. Do you guys like see the soap? Like, do you see the soap that's left on my hand? Okay. And then the last thing we're pulling out is the Ciate London Everyday Setting Powder. Yes, it's coconut setting powder. It's like Boxycharm just heard me. They like heard me speak in the future and they're like, we're gonna send her setting spray and make her happy this month. Actually, I'm really happy with this box this month. I like this so much better than when I got in premium. Oh, does it actually smell like coconut? I'm really scared to open this up. I don't want to open this up because I'm gonna get this all over me and I'm wearing nothing but black. So if one of you guys have ever used the Ciate London coconut setting powder, can you please let me know if it smells like coconut? Please, 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 please. So that is everything that I got in my February Boxycharm box, and girl, I am so happy with this box. Actually, this is the happiest that I've been with Boxycharm in a very long time. The only thing that I'm not like super hype about is the makeup wipes, but I'm also like hype about them because that's way better than like a moisturizer or a face wash or an eye cream or a body lotion. We're making steps in the right direction, Boxycharm. I'm so happy with this box. So that is everything that I received in my Boxycharm for February. What did you guys think of this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video.